Geofences and landmarks are locations or virtual fences you create on the map to highlight key locations such as the home office, or key customers, or other points of interest. Geofences are virtual fences that you create in any size or shape that the system uses to monitor and provide alerts and reporting on when a vehicle enters or exits that location. A landmark is a special type of geofence that puts an icon on the map to quickly identify frequently visited or important locations. A landmark has a fixed radius of about 1/10 of a mile, and activity there will show up and be captured in the same way the system captures other geofence activities. To work with geofences and landmarks, go to the Maps page and click on the Geofences and Landmarks tab. This gives you a list of all your landmarks and geofences. You can filter them by type by clicking the checkboxes at the top of the list. To create a new landmark or geofence, click the Create Geofence button. The first drop-down you'll see is the Type drop-down. Using this drop-down, you can select the type of fence you want to create, a landmark or a geofence. If you select landmark, all you need to do is give the landmark a name, then enter an address for the landmark's location, or click on the map where you want the landmark to appear. Then decide who should receive alerts, if any, for activity related to that landmark. Click Save, and you can add it to the list. To create a geofence, select Geofence from the top Type drop-down. Next, select the shape. Selecting Circle allows you to create a circular geofence, and Polygon allows you to create a polygon geofence. For a circle geofence, give your fence a name, enter the address, or again, click on the map at the location where you want the geofence to appear. Then select a radius for your geofence. Radiuses are in miles, but you can use decimals to create smaller geofences. Clicking Preview allows you to see the size of your fence. Select a color, then enter any email addresses for people you want to receive alerts for that fence's activity, and click Save. To create a polygon geofence, select Polygon from the Shape drop-down. Then give your fence a name, and then click directly on the map where you want the first point in your geofence to appear. Each time you click on the map, a new blue marker will appear, and a red line will show the evolving shape of your geofence. To complete your geofence, center your mouse over the initial point that you created and wait for the hand to turn to a pointing finger, then click. This completes your fence. Then select a color and enter any email addresses for people that you would like to receive alerts. Then click Save. You can display multiple items on the map by selecting the checkbox next to each item. You can edit any geofence by clicking the pencil icon next to the fence's name. Notice on a polygon geofence, when you edit it, you can redraw the fence by working with the shapes on the map. Once your edits are complete, click Save to save your changes. You can also delete any geofence by clicking the trash icon next to the name of the geofence.